Hello. Okay, so today I go for some coffee and I get out of my car and there's a CCTV camera on me in this little market town, and so I go for a coffee and I walk down the next bit of this town and there's this glass dome CCTV with a thing flicking around checking out everybody, and I'd smiled at the one when I got out of the car. I was kind of grinning at the one when I was going into the coffee shop, and I thought, well, it winds me up because this is unnecessary. It's unnecessary. It's been ushered in through false flag operations and the like, in my opinion. So I thought, anyway, I'd check out who does this CCTV in the area, and so yeah, I look at this, and there you go, they're advertising on a website called Monster, which is, I think, pretty much what it is about, isn't it? Okay, so our client is one of the leading security providers in Europe and North America, fully integrated security systems and services that are tailored to specific needs of their customers. Intruder alarm, CCTV, blah blah. I don't know how to get the rest of that. So, well, there's only one person I know of that's got, as a leading security provider in Europe and North America, and that's got to be, of course, SERCO. And so I thought, it'd be fun here if I typed in, SERCO, and see what come up. If I've got any jobs with them. There we go. Right, oh, here we go, 2. So there's 2 jobs with SERCO. Okay, let's have a look at this one. And so click on that one. Here we go. A leading supplier of IT managed service software solutions, blah blah blah. Very similar to the last job description. And so I've always kind of flipped through this. So to go down to the bottom, I'll find it. Yeah, here we go. Provide assistance in coordinating and testing installation of new third-party software. Provide excellent customer service and be fully responsive to the needs of the customer, escalating any conflicts to the field support manager, whoever that may be. Conflicts, what are we talking about there? And that's what they've got to be skilled in. Okay, so after that, close that off. So, in the cafe on the way in, on the way out, I've seen it before, was this emblem, this little sign. This is security. Well, if you, I'd fully recommend watching Sean Harris's videos, Octagon and Empire of Evil, and the Pharaoh Show, which I will try to remember to put links to at the bottom. But Octagon is part of the Beast system, if you like, and so just to if you want to check it out on that website there, you can. So yeah, octagon shapes double squares. So double square is the sort of hypercube, the 4th dimension. And of course, when the twin towers came down to become one, and as the tower goes up, it becomes octagonal. Kind of, if you look halfway up at the new World Trade Center, and also going on to say thereabouts with its octagonal magnets inside. So it's a special shape. It's part of the great architecture and all that. There we go. The Freemasons were using it. William Sinclair, Rosalind Chapel. So yeah, they knew about it a while back. You'll see this everywhere. The octagon, the Ouroboros, sometimes it's just shown as one coil with the snake eating itself. Yeah, that's a it says the Caduceus, the staff of Caduceus. That would have been, which this is a whole different subject, which I will get into at some point. So after that, I thought, well, I'll have a look on SERCO's website, and I came across this. So knowing that they're running our CCTV, I believe the military is the beast, part of the beast. SERCO supports the armed forces of a number of countries, including the UK, US, Australia. We work in partnership with our customers in the government and private sector. Well, that's great. Was very concerned to read this, that SERCO manages the UK weapons establishment as part of a consortium with Lockheed Martin and Jacobs. That's a little concerning, that the nuclear industry's gone corporate. They also enable the Royal Navy to move in and out of port and Her Majesty's naval bases. Managing a fleet of over 100 vessels. What is that about? God, what is that about? Why is this happening? Why is our military run by an American company? That's priceless, really, isn't it, all this? And I come across this thing down here, which I thought I'd have a little look at. Skynet. Well, I can remember that from the Terminator film, and he nearly got shot for being part of that. And military X-band, X mark of the beast. So you got all these things down here, and click on this one here, and K-band. It's all GX subscription services, so you've got the type of stuff. This is at some point we go over to the Airbus in a minute for more military stuff. But what they are saying here, if you want to click that link, is that they can now steer a radio signal for data of between 5, 12 to 8 megs. Pretty much anywhere, by the looks of it. Of course, only for people with this sort of money, like the military. And I got on the Airbus site, which took me to that. Sorry, it did take me to that. Apologies. And then onto this, which is airborne, something surveillance, reconnaissance, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, which again is priceless. It's got the Saab people involved, the old dragon up there with a crown on it, king, and you also got the Ouroboros there in the Saab logo, sort of three-dimensional, like a tube or an Ouroboros. Look at that one for longer, but yeah, you see you've got the hexagram there, which is another part of it, really. So yeah, it's just unbelievable. I cannot believe it. We've got private entourages running our military and webcams. CCTV. And look at the Airbus symbol if you want more confirmation of the 666. Okay. God bless you all listening to this. It's a pretty miserable topic, really, isn't it? Yeah, stay safe. Eyes to the skies, as someone else says. Yeah.